Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing along in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 192. Let's start with this column here. Looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 in this box, so this is our 3. No help in the other two, so 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. Get the 3 here, so 5, 9, a 9 here, so 3, 5, and a 5 and 9 here. So this is our 3. That makes this our 5 and our 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 9, the 3 here, and the 9 here. That means this is our 5. That 3 makes this our 9, and this is our 3. To finish out this box, we're missing a 6. For this row, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. A 1 here, so this is our 8 and 1. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so this is our 2 and our 1. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7, and 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column now, looks like we're just missing a 4. For this box, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing a 2 and a 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. So for this box now, we are missing a 6, and for this box, we are missing a 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.